Good morning, John Kielec here. It's Monday morning, November 5th, and this is update for today. What's happening? Well, first of all, I'm going to show you the promotion will start tomorrow for the Daily Net Pay private trade shares, those who purchased the $49.95 package, because it was supposed to be off. The deadline was last night, but it's going to be extended until Wednesday night, because we did have some STP coding issues, and finally Solar Trust Bay has contacted me what was the issue. So it's recoded, should be all good, and we are extending for that. Andy has not done everything with the Daily Net Pay. Basically, the commission structure, I do have it in my admins area, but members still do not have it in their members area. Also, the commissions that's going to be earned from the private trading shares, he's installing in that. So every time you're going to earn, and when you get paid out, that's going to be calculated in your members area. So these two that's what needs to be done, plus change the advertising packs to PTS and PTS advertising pack, and also the DNP number 3, which is going to be the fast cash bids. So these are still in the works and just awaiting Andy's final tests. And once that's installed, we're going to be ready to go and ready to go on. This is the promotion that's actually starting tomorrow. So this is a private. That's what $49.95, because as of after Wednesday, Thursday will be $59.95. That's for the DNP EdPack number 2. All right. So basically, when somebody clicks on this squeeze page, and it's going to take them to the type of information page. There is one short video in here. It's a special greetings from me, and you know, I have the same thing what's recorded up here in this YouTube video, but also I just basically read what's below in here. Like many members do not like to read, they rather would listen or watch and listen, view that way. So that's why I'm doing this. And final step is in here, how to join passive trade shares. It's got instructions, and then you gotta, any member cannot just join, they gotta have invitee a link to join private trade shares. And we're also going to put a disclaimer in here, a risk ratio that is to make the site legal with the regulations of Canadian laws and other, U.S. laws. There's got to be a disclaimer link in here installed. Same thing on the Daily Net Pay, the private trade shares. All right, basically what's in this video, it's in here. And once they fill out the opt-in page, they're going to go to this final link. Okay, this is the final Daily Net Pay, the passive trade. There's another video. There's 3 videos actually. This one is the long one. The other ones are only about a few minutes. But anyways, gives them the overall look in here, and tells them about the package, the lots. The lots got to be installed yet. They're going to be done later today. And basically, they have all the contact, 24/7 message center. If it's after hours, everything is in here. So this is the promotion that actually starts tomorrow. So members who are still have DNP opportunity link, like in here. All right, this is many. There's quite a bit of links. It's not approved yet, some of you, because we're waiting for one code to be done. And those who are going to be in here, going to be have purchased the $49.95 packs, will be approved soon. All right, so this is how it's done. So it'll be approved later by midnight tonight. Okay, everybody's going to get an additional 30 days credit, advertising credit, due to delay of what we are doing. So once again, this is the opportunity link, and this is where you promote any of those capture pages or autoresponder links. That's what we call them in Daily Net Page. Just select anyone, and you go from here. We already have a new one. Okay, the global demand was created, and this is actually, you can start promoting this because this is going to be highly responsive. So anyways, you check out your DNP members area. Also, when you come to the homes, see this FPAC number, FPAC expires, make sure you have active advertising pack. If you are past the due date or today's date or any date after whatever date you're looking, and you don't have active expiry date, then you do not have any advertising working for you. This is the area that's missing, the commissions, and then also in here there's going to be private trade shares tab installed above the Try 90, and also you're going to have PTS earnings tab in here, so you can view how much you're getting paid from your private trade shares. Okay, so this is in the works. It still has not been done. Andy's working as fast as he can. Like I say, our aim was for December 1st, but I was hoping to get it done. He said it might be done by Friday, Saturday this weekend, but it's not done yet. Okay, but anyways, it should be done shortly. So he is working on it as much as he can. Okay, now let's go to the trading area, see what's happening in the trading, PTS, private trade shares. Okay, we're right now in the whole $143.09, and that's up and down. This trade is actually from last week, okay? That's the one that we got in, British pound against USD. We got in here. You can see this is where we got in. This is our profit or limit stop loss, okay? Right now, it's working our way. We've been holding to this trade. It went against us pretty well right from beginning. Then over here we got into a little bit of profit, but looks like the trend is kind of upwards. Okay, well, when we're looking over here, it's in a channel, but you can see this was the support. There's another support that did break out. We have pivot point in here. Pivot point has ended up higher above, so it's a green for markets to go up. So we're going to profit nicely from here. All right, this is our limit profit stops, a couple $100 or $100, but I think we're going to go above that. But anyways, we'll see what happens later. Other markets, this is the only trade that I have. We're looking at the British pound against the 6 other currencies. The market got filled over here, but we're not trading. I'm just following some of this London daybreak type of thing. Okay, same thing in here. So, I'm just studying some of these markets. This is for market down as well. So there's another one, British pound against the New Zealand. There's 6 British pound trades, currencies against other currencies, so I'm following. But the only one that we are doing today, because I got to go to doctor's appointment another half an hour. Okay, so I got the limit stop loss or limit profit take. Looks like it's up and down. Like I say, this is the only one that we have right now. It's not bad. Minus 146. They're both. You can see one lot is 10 cents because these lots, this one you need a margin of you need a margin of couple $100. This one needs a margin of $2,000. Okay, so it's a $1,000 trade, but one pip equals $10. Okay, as in here, 1 pip equals $1. So you can see 14 pips is 14 this, 12 it's 121. But okay, the market looks like it's going to go above there, so it's good. It broke out above here, and that's about all I have for this morning. I'm going to pause this recording and come back later to give you the final outcome. Okay, I am back again, and what I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna examine this British pound against US. This is 1 hour chart, so you can see we're almost $86.70. It's up and down, but this market, it's going. I believe once we get in a bit of profit, I'm going to exit this trade because this is a 1-hour chart. When we look in 5-minute chart, okay, I'm just going to put this thing down. Okay, when we look in a 5-minute chart, I see something in here that, okay, we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to scroll this. This is where our trade, but you can see in here, the market is, well, it's kind of upwards. Okay, and in here, there's the pivot point. It's going up, but this is like the top resistance, and it's type of like a head and shoulder developing in here. So once we reach up here, anywhere above here, when we're going to be in profit, I'm going to exit out, because when it does get up here, at this time, I don't have any special signal that's going to go above. Actually, the indicators, more likely, what I think, once it reaches up here, it's going to start go down a bit. So once we get up here, we're going to take our profit and just exit this trade. So let's go back to the 1-hour chart, because I use 5 minutes and 1 hour, so we're getting up there slowly, but I believe it'll be no, down to 55. So it's I'm not going to wait, because it could be 5-10 minutes before, but once I exit the trade, then I will record the final outcome. Once again, I'll pause this recording and come back later. Okay, I am back, and it's 2:35 p.m. I'm back from my doctor's appointment. So anyways, you can see in this chart that the market went exactly where I predicted, and we actually could have made more profit, but I had my limit stop loss profit limit, and you can see that it hit our mark over here. So while I was gone, we have earned $95.50, which is 0.95% return. And this trade was actually, this trade was placed on Friday. Actually, it was, yeah, it was from, this is where we got entered in here. So it took us a little, this is 1-hour chart. So anyways, we came back with a nice profit. Anyways, even the market went up. This was the aim. But next time what I'll do, once we hit a target like that, I'm going to place 5 pips trading stop. So every time if the market continues up, I will do it. But I'm even surprised it went up that high. But you can see in here, okay, this in here, see this pip, okay, this is the pivot point. It broke above this pivot point, so that meant the market is going up, and indeed it went up. Okay, so these pivot points, I like them because they give me you know, they give me directions, and those directions are quite nice. So, you know, that's just one of the strategies that I use, okay? But you can see the market definitely. Now it looks like it's going to come down because it was building, okay, when we go in the 5 minutes, okay, you can see in the 5 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart looks like this is like a head and shoulders in here. Okay, it broke out and then way over here, but look at it, 5 minutes went above the major resistance. But okay, so you just you got to know how to read charts to be profitable. Okay, but I am happy. Anyways, we got rid of it because we were almost hitting our stop loss of losing this trade, but I held out and we came ahead. I don't like losing trades. All right, so you can see that this trade was placed 11-month 2, okay, and the price The open price was 1.3025. Closing price was 1.30334. So this was like a 10 cents. So that's almost like $1 per pip. So it was 7.5 pips. It was $7.50. Over here, which is a higher margin account, it's over here you got to have $2,000 to trade. Minimum to trade that, but it's a $1 lot, so it's like a $10,000 lot against a $100,000 lot. So the one paid over here, one pip paid $10, and see 8.8 equals $88. So this was her profit limit. It was hit $95.50 or 0.95 cents. So, this is all the trades I've done for today, for Monday. So I had a doctor's appointment. We have some DNP, but once I got everything settled with the dating that pay, then we're going to be going a lot more into those profits. Okay, so our account balance is $7,126.42. The equity same, no margin right now. Usable margin $7,126.42. So I'm trying to break this over 10,000 mark this week, hopefully. So we're gonna find some good trades. So this is it for the update for today, and once again, this is where the advertising is going to start as of tomorrow. I'm just going to have a bite to eat, and we're going to get into the approving those URLs, processing orders. So have a little patience, but everything should be running. I have not checked, I haven't heard from Andy yet, but I will update you as soon as we have information. How is he progressing with DNP commission structure payout system that's going to be installed on DNP members area. Mine is as an admin, it's already here. Okay, until next time, have a great afternoon. Thank you.